Hello, good afternoon, guys. And it is scorching hot in Turkey at the moment, but well, we still got to work, right? So today I'm gonna be doing like a shoe shopping, and so I am in a completely different market than the ones you know. I am in Beyazit, and this is where they mostly sell the shoes and the bags. So today I'm gonna be shopping for a client in Senegal, and she wants shoes. So I'm gonna take you guys through what I find and what I'm gonna shop today. Ciao, ciao. Guys, this are some of the shoes I find here today that they have. I'm gonna take you guys through. They are really colorful, and this is just one of the stores today. Look at the quality. Look at this as well.
You want box?
Yes, please.
Without box.
Which box?
With box.
Evet. So I ordered something, and now they are packing at the moment. While they are doing that, I'm just gonna show you what they have at the moment. And if you have other designs you'd like to buy, just tell me, and then I will order from them, and then it will be ready in about a week.
$12, yaklaşık 100 lira.
They also have some bags.
Seri satıyor.
And you go.
Bunlar yarın alacaklar değil mi? Poşetleyelim mi dursun? Alacaklar mı?
So it is 8 pieces in one series, as it is already packed like this. These are the sizes that are available: 36, 38, 39, and 40. As you can see. I'm gonna finish up here and go to another store, and then I will take you guys through. Ciao, ciao. Hey guys, I am in another store, and oh my god, look at what they have here. Right now I am going inside the store. This is the market. It's a completely different store, and it's actually super chilled, similar to what they have over there, but like a little bit of difference. There's like all of this, you know, summer things. And look at these heels. Look at this slippers, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna cut the video now, and hopefully I finish in this store, and then I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Ciao, ciao. While we are shopping for the shooting, I came across some bag stores, and I just want to show you this. It is so cute, so nice. They have like different models, and they are not branded, so the finishing, everything is just amazing, and different sizes, and they are like wholesale as well. Very colorful. And look at this one. This is like a mango material, but it's super trendy right now as well. But here you can get them for wholesale. Super nice. Guys, so I am in the shoe section. It's a lot of shoes here, like a lot of wholesale shoes. Tamam, tamam, kanka, halala. Anyway, as you can see, they are like different type of shoes. just showing you. This is also where they sell like fake brands. And 61 Buddha. Merhaba. Okay, I am in another store. I have to finish off with this and then I will talk to you guys later. Ciao. Hey guys, it's been such a stressful day. I met come on. Your name is Ademilola. I met Ademilola in the market and she actually helped me to see some other places that I can get the shoes from. Hi, but I still couldn't get it, so I am back to where I left. So it's kind of crazy. So you want to leave? Oh, bye bye. Take care. Hello. I'll chat to see you again. Yeah, sure. Bye. Bye. Hello. Okay guys, I am finally done with my shopping and it was really crazy, though it like wasn't like so much order today, but it was super stressful because like I had to go like a lot of places to see, because I need to satisfy my clients, right? Anyway, you all know what to do already, or in case you're just joining me, welcome to my channel. I'm sorry it's coming late. If you want to shop in Turkey and you're not here or you couldn't come to Turkey, you can contact me right here below here and this Instagram handle, and I will be at your service. I usually take like 10% of shopping budget, so it's not like a lot of money like that. And that's gonna be it. Thank you all for watching and I hope you love this vlog today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and leave a comment below. Ciao ciao, bye.